the center of the storm is forecast to remain south and west of the area. Impacts are still expected. As tropical storm Sally is expected to be a slow-moving system. The greatest... The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachian Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawaha River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles northwest of Martha, 24 bars to 18 nautical miles northeast of Buckeye Reef. Moving north at 25. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots per later. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National
Special